Good morning, traders, and welcome to BCR's morning market outlook. First up, let's talk about the US dollar. The DXY has climbed to around 99.5, which is its highest level in nearly 2 months after stronger than expected US labor market data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve may raise interest rates later this year. ADP employment showed 122,000 jobs added in May, while JOLTS job openings also pointed to resilient labor demand. Ongoing Middle East tensions and rising oil prices have further supported the dollar through inflation concerns. Technically, the index remains in a short-term uptrend above key moving averages with resistance at 99.55 and the psychological $100 level, while support is seen around 99, followed by 98.58. Next up, let's have a look at crude oil. WTI rose above $94 per barrel, extending gains for a third straight session as uncertainty surrounding US Iran peace talks maintained a geopolitical risk premium in the oil market. While oil has rebounded sharply from last week's lows, traders remain cautious as broader expectations still favor eventual de escalation. Technically, resistance is seen near the 50-day moving average at 94.94 and the psychological $100 level, while support sits at the psychological level of $90, followed by 87.82. Next up, let's have a look at gold. Spot gold slipped below 44.50 per ounce as stronger labor market data, rising oil prices, and expectations for higher interest rates weighed on demand for the non-yielding metal. Continued uncertainty around US-Iran agreement and inflation concerns remain key themes for the market. From a technical perspective, gold remains in a consolidation phase with support around 44.22 and $4,400, while resistance is seen at $4,500 and the Bollinger Band midpoint near 45.70. Lastly, let's have a look at the local currency, the Australian dollar, which came under pressure after weaker than expected first quarter GDP data. Australia's economy grew just 0.3% in Q1, below market expectations, reducing expectations for further near-term rate hikes from the RBA. The Australian dollar also remains above its 100-day moving average, keeping the broader uptrend intact despite recent consolidation. Immediate support is around 71 cents and 62, whilst traders continue to watch the psychological level of 72 cents for signs of renewed upside momentum.